We float, float, boy, really give me.
Hey, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to show you how I maintain my quick weave. I already shampooed it, and when you shampoo, you want to make sure that you are using like neutralizing shampoo. And I shampoo my leave out first, and then I shampooed the weave, so like my scalp is not wet because it is a quick weave. But I shampooed it. I did not condition it. You can if you want to. I didn't need to. This hair was still pretty good, but if you do decide to condition it, remember to not get the conditioner on the tracks because that'll make the glue like slippery, and then your tracks will come out. So I'm just blow drying that all together. I did use like some heat protectant from Design Essentials before I blow dried it, and then I go in and fix any of the tracks that might have came apart, in the process of wearing this quick weave. I think I had this quick weave in for like 2 weeks when I made this video, and now it's been like, I would say about 3 weeks now, and it's still been doing pretty good. I've shampooed it twice since I've installed it. But yeah, so this is me parting the hair before I put the mousse on my leave out. This is just so my leave out can blend a little better, and just so it can lay as flat as possible without me having to put so much heat on it. And I did blow dry that before I went in with my small flat irons. And what you see me doing now is I'm just flat ironing my little edges before I go in with the big flat iron. Now, I had this flat iron on low, so it probably looks like I'm burning myself. I'm really not. It's on very low. And also, when you are like putting heat on your hair, turn the flat irons or curlers, whatever you're using, turn it on low so you're not damaging your real hair, because having a leave out is dangerous. But seriously though, you do want to be careful not to put so much heat on your hair, because your hair will break off, y'all. I've been there. I'm in the process of it now, so I'm telling you this while I'm making this video, because my leave out is fried, dyed, and laid to the side. Okay, I'm just saying. But once I finished that, I went in with my hot comb just to press out my roots. And this is just so when I use my flat irons, I don't have to like do too many passes with them, even though I did do a couple passes. But y'all, they were on low. I promise they were on low. But you only need one pass. Just pass. Yeah, you only need one pass. I just like my hair to be perfect because I am like a hairstylist. So I just want my hair to look good. But you only need one pass, okay? So now that we have blended our leave out with the hair, I go in with my 24-hour taming edge control. This is my favorite edge control that I've used so far. If you have any like good edge controls, like name, let me know, because I have like natural hair. I have like 4C. It's very thick. I did have to relax my edges. That's the only way that they are laying the way they are. Okay, because without them, oh child. But now that I've did that on the other side, this is how the hair is looking. I had let it dry and everything while I did my makeup and everything, but I'm going to go in and cut it a little shorter. I wanted a shorter bob. It was a little long. I didn't cut much. And then I also did cut a little bit of layers, just like in the front, for some front framing layers. I was going to curl my hair, but I actually just decided to leave it like straight. So I just straightened it. I'll probably make a tutorial on how to curl it if you want to see how I do that. But for this video, I just straightened it because I wanted like that natural, clean, bob look. This is how it turned out. It looks so natural. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Okay? But I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.